television game, man. We back. And for today, in this video, I'm getting started my 6-1 intake. So, the only thing is, I'm waiting on the EGR block off plate. I'm gonna see if I can get rid of that for the time being. Try to see if I can get rid of that. I don't have a stand for it because I'm on the gimbal now, y'all. I'm on the gimbal. I don't have a stand to actually hold it up, so I won't be able to. Time lapse or record the process. I'll just guide y'all through it though. But I'm gonna go ahead and get into that. The first thing I gotta do is get that intake manifold off first, or I can put the ejectors on, which I'm gonna do. Put the ejectors. What I do. Some of them fell out the bag, those are 72 millimeter. Not millimeter. 72 pound injector. That's what I'm running with. The only reason I'm about to try to do it like that is because who's tuning my car, they sent me a tune, and I want to see, they sent me a bass line, I want to see this. It's really good. Miley was really good. No, it was real. So I'm gonna jump straight into that. Alright, so those the clips right there. I don't know if these the actual clips. I took these off my 5.7. But pull all them out, change the injectors. I swap this out too. And this. Yeah. You pull all them out. And I ain't run no gas through this. And you got take these off as well. I think I snugged them down a little bit, so let me find something to get them on. That look like a 13, probably 12. Let me go through my message toolbox. Inch 13. It's probably a 14 now. I'll just get back at y'all when I get it all. Alright, so I just wanted to show y'all the injectors right quick. So as y'all can see, that's the 782 right there. I don't know what the stock one is. I know they the same as the SRT8. And I guess this wouldn't really matter, but they both look the same. Well, they look a little bigger now that I got the camera on it. But that's what we got right there. Got everything doing that when I took the Gotta get this intake off. I don't know what I'm gonna do about the EGR. Just gotta wait for the delete to come in. I'm just gonna leave it. See what happens. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. So we're gonna get straight into that and I get back at y'all. So far, guys, I got 4 in. So I started it, 2 in the back, 2 in the front. And I gotta get this throttle body off right now as we speak. To put on there. So this one fitting. So I guess the guy I traded the car with, he took it out. People saying it's a top fitted or something. So I gotta figure out how I'm about to do this. I think this just goes to it though. So not that bad, but alright guys, I'm priming it right now. No, I don't have to let it prime that long, but prime it right quick. Well, there was somebody behind. Pop up yet, but let me show y'all. This is why they got a vacuum leak right now. I need the block off for this. This is what's supposed to go right here. And if I leave it right there, you know how I'm gonna leave it right there. It just stays off. So I don't know if the EGR, when I do that, it's just pushing the shit right back out. But so far, I'm in a good place right now. I believe this is easy. I just gotta re-tap something in here. I don't know what. I might try to re-thread it or whatnot. Everything else is good.